Applications. Convert two 15-pin SATA power supply connectors to a 6-pin PCI Express video card power connector. Connect a PCIe video card to a power supply that is not equipped with a PCIe connector. StarTech Packaging. Look for StarTech Branded Packaging to ensure you are getting a genuine StarTech product. What's in the box? 1 to 6 inches SATA power to 6-pin PCI Express video card power cable adapter. Features. 1 by 6-pin PCI Express, male connector to 2 by 15-pin SATA, male connectors. Offers 6 inches in length for greater flexibility. Gold-plated SATA connectors. Top reviews from the United States. Good cable for unusual power needs. This is simply a good, reliable cable that works as intended, and it doesn't get too hot or anything or cause any issues even when it's being pushed a bit, and would recommend this to anyone working with odd non-modular PSU setups where you're trying to get something like a basic graphics card or a sound card or something like that working in a older or more proprietary rig. You may want to get somewhat creative with zip ties though if you're a bit finicky about final appearance.